How to build your first AI stack without the overwhelm. Forget one-on-one tools. You only need 5 to make AI work for your business. Let's cut through the noise. You don't need to be a tech wizard or hire developers to build an AI system that saves time, boosts productivity, and grows your business. You just need a simple stack of tools that play well together. And today, we'll show you exactly what that looks like. Step 1. Start with the roles, not the tools. Every AI tool you add should have a job. Ask, where do I waste time? Is it writing emails? Summarizing meetings? Following up with leads? Map out the 5 key roles in your business. Assistant, e.g. ChatGPT. Project manager, e.g. Notion AI. Connector, e.g. Zapier. Customer rep, e.g. Tidio. Marketer, e.g. SurferSEO. Step 2. Choose one tool per role. This keeps your stack clean and efficient. Here's your starter kit. ChatGPT. Write content, draft emails, answer FAQs. Notion AI. Organize projects, summarize meetings. Zapier. Connect tools and automate workflows. Tidio. Automate customer service and capture leads. SurferSEO. Optimize content to rank higher on Google. Step 3. Build your first workflow. Pick one task and automate it. Example. A lead fills out a form. GPT writes a custom email. Zapier sends it via Gmail. Don't try to automate everything. Just start with one process that saves time every week. Then build from there. Bonus tip. Keep a weekly AI Power Hour. Use it to review what's working, test new ideas, or refine your workflows. This habit keeps your stack sharp and your business moving. AI doesn't need to be complicated. When your tools work together, your business runs smoother, faster, and smarter. Start small. Build one workflow. And remember, it's not about how many tools you use, it's about how well they work together. Now go build your first stack and watch what happens next.